According to Challenger, Gray, and Christmas, U.S. employers lose around $13.3 billion in productivity during the NCAA basketball tournament. So why not use this to your advantage and create a fitness tournament to promote wellness and teamwork? But how does creating a tournament using ChallengeRunner differ from a normal fitness challenge? Simply stated, during a normal fitness challenge, all participants compete against each other on a leaderboard. With the tournament, there's an initial seed round to determine the participants, and in succeeding rounds, participants are paired one-on-one. After each tournament round, the winner advances and the loser is eliminated until there are only two participants left and a winner is decided. Creating a wellness tournament is not unlike creating any other challenge. First, you must decide the activities. You can just have a simple walking activity or use multiple activities such as active minutes, hydration, and mindfulness. Next, you need to decide how many rounds you would like. By default, the system will adjust the number of rounds to accommodate up to 64 individuals or teams. Finally, you need to decide if participants will be competing against as individuals or teams. If you want to allow more than 64 individuals to participate, allowing them to participate as teams may be the answer. Getting started is easy. Just log in with your ChallengeRunner admin account and click the Create Challenge button. The easiest way to get started is to select the Generate a Walking Tournament option and click Next. You can always change the activities later if desired. Give your new tournament a name and click Next. If you'd like to provide your participants with a description of the challenge, rules, awards, etc., you can update the provided description. Otherwise, you can just clear the description for none. When you're finished, click Next. Now set the start and end dates for the seed round. When the seed round is over, the system will automatically create the first round of the tournament pairings, starting the day after the seed round end date, and lasting the same duration as the seed round. Therefore, if the seed round lasts 7 days, round 1 will automatically be 7 days. Click Finish when done. At this point, your tournament has been created, and you can now add or change the activities in it to more closely match your wellness objectives, or start adding participants. We're going to continue by inviting participants to join our tournament seed round. To get started, click the Add Participants button in the Participants panel. There are various options for adding participants, but the most common is to generate an invitation link. Click Next. Simply copy the invitation URL, paste it into an email inviting your participants to the tournament, and send it. Users who click the link are directed to a registration page where they're prompted to enter their name and an email, which becomes their user ID. Click Finish when done. For this presentation, I added over 70 test participants to the seed round to demonstrate how the tournament rounds work. Now I'm going to click the Switch to User View button to simulate entering data for users. An unlimited number of individuals or teams can participate in the seed round, but only up to 64 will advance to round 1. During the seed round, participants, admins, or fitness trackers enter activity data and the results are shown on the leaderboard. For this demonstration, I manually entered slightly differing steps walk data for each of the participants. After the seed round ends, a new leaderboard is available displaying the current tournament standings. Now that the seed round is finished, the top 64 participants move on to the first round, and everyone else is eliminated from the tournament. As is common in single elimination tournaments, the top seed, the person with the highest points in the seed round, is paired one-on-one with the lowest seed. The second highest is paired with the second lowest, and so on until the bracket is filled. In this case, the highest seed, Anne, is paired with the lowest seed, Joseph. If we look at the Edit Activity dialog, we can see that the ChallengeRunner created the Round 1 activity to start the day after the seed round started and last the same amount of time as the seed round. If, for whatever reason, you wanted to shorten or lengthen the duration of any round, you could change it on this screen. Just remember, you would need to change the dates of all the challenges in this round and the next round would use the new time span. For instance, you could set the second seed round to last a month, but then set round 1 dates to only last a week. If I switch to the user view again, I can enter some more test data for the Ann Yosef head-to-head challenge. Our tournament bracket report continues to update participants with progress for round 1. The winners for each of the round 1 challenges advanced to round 2. Just as it did after the seed round, the ChallengeRunner system generates new one-on-one challenges for the participants advancing to round 2. After adding some additional data for Ann and our test user, round 2 ends very much the same as round 1. The tournament bracket report becomes a little more interesting as the winners advance and losers are eliminated. The ChallengeRunner system will continue to generate rounds to advance the winners until only 2 participants remain. At the end of the last round, a winner can be determined. Anyone participating in the tournament can view the tournament bracket even after they are eliminated, and a special external bracket is available if the challenge administrator would like to allow non-participants to view progress. Thank you for viewing this demonstration of the ChallengeRunner Tournament Challenge process. For more information on running a tournament challenge through ChallengeRunner, please navigate to ChallengeRunner/features/tournament or use the QR code.